In this tutorial, we will be covering how to import the pages you have created in the previous tutorial into your Unity project. First, we need to drag and drop all of the page template images into the Assets window of the Unity project. You can create a folder specifically for your imported pages by right-clicking an empty space in the Assets window and clicking Create Folder to organize your files. We then need to create a material for each page image that we have imported. This can be done by right-clicking the Asset window and selecting Create Material. You can click on the material and look at the Inspector window to locate base maps under the Surface Input dropdown. Drag the image into the square next to the base map. If you have specular or normal maps for the page, you can drag the specular map into the box next to metallic map and normal map into the box next to normal map. While there isn't a way to view the pages you have inputted without building the project, you can manually drag the material onto the book to see how it looks in the final product. If you have an irregular shaped page, click on the material and locate the surface type in the Inspector window. Select the dropdown and change it to transparent. Once you have finished creating all the materials for the pages, use the search bar in the hierarchy window to look up and find Book Manager. Select the dropdown next to Page List in the Inspector window and click the plus button to add your page materials in order. Remember to delete 9R6B them and clicking the minus button.